But for this sort of demo, I think I'll deploy a database. That's usually pretty straightforward. If you're using different clouds, there's different options here. For us, clusters are pretty ubiquitous across clouds. So what I'll do is I'll do a Kubernetes database. This is a Postgres database living on Kubernetes in a Kubernetes cluster on this Vultr cloud. If I didn't have a cluster here, I could easily create one to the Zeet UI. This would actually say create a cluster. I've already done that as well, just for the sake of brevity. I'll kind of speed through this. So this is a cluster that lives in that Vultr cloud. I'm just going to hit continue, look through these inputs. These all look good to me. Faint grape, great name for a database. I'll hit continue, and depending if I had like a staging or a dev environment, I could deploy there. I'm going to go straight to production, and I'm just going to deploy. So from here, it'll kind of run through the classic steps. So it'll plan. Once the plan is done, I'll click approve. You don't always have to do this. Sometimes it'll just deploy. It'll say deploy.